I do want to add, after cleaning this clock up, or while cleaning this clock up, I'm glad that I took it off the wall to clean it up. I still can't really wipe this area right here with what I have available to me. I need to do some other things, but I want you to notice that the roof was coming off, and you turn it around. B, the top section that you, let me get this door out of the way. The top section that you put the screw in right here when you hang it on the wall, and this top section is loose. I'm really glad that I decided to take it off. The clock was running fine, but I didn't like what it was looking like. So I'm really glad I took it off the wall to clean it up, or this beautiful 8-day clock that the movement shows 34A. I would have to look that up in my book, but it's not a very old clock, but it's a pretty clock. It is missing the horn right here, but the look how beautiful that topper looks. Have you figured out which ear I replaced yet? Well, it was this ear right here. You could tell by the carvings, but it was this ear right here that I replaced. And if you look at the back, you can see that the wood grain is different from this wood grain. I'm not a carver. I just take my scroll saw and carve out an ear, and then I take my Dremel and make me some lines. I don't carve. I'll admit that. I'm not a carver. I don't carve. I also want to not admit, but discuss that some people say that using Old English oil causes mildew on a clock. I don't believe that this was mildew. I don't think I ever cleaned up this clock, to tell you the truth. I have been using Old English oil since I started collecting clocks back in 1999, and I've never, ever had a mildew issue on any of my clocks or antiques. This is the first clock that had something going on with it. It might have been mildew, but my house has got a lot of humidity in it. It's a big house. I don't have central heat and air. Right now it's like 40 degrees in the main part of my house, and that's why I hibernate in my bedroom during the winter months. It's 15 degrees outside, and so anyway, I've got clocks lined up along the wall. Stand by and I'm going to show you. This clock was hanging here. As you can see, that clock hasn't got any of those issues, and I cleaned that one up. This clock doesn't have any of those issues, and I cleaned that one up. Those clocks don't have any of those issues, and I cleaned those up. These clocks don't have any of those issues. So again, I don't know what was going on with that clock, but anyway, I had to take it down and clean it up. So again, this is New Life. This is the paperwork and how much it cost me. They didn't put a price on it. I looked up on my bank statement. That's how much it cost me to include shipping. And the question is, would I buy it again? I highly doubt it, because I think my Old English oil, again, left side was done with Old English oil, right side was done with this New Life Furniture Masque that I purchased. I don't see a difference. They both look, to me, they both look the same. What about you? Please give me some comments. Please give me some feedback. And most of all, Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and may God bless you.